What's up guys, this is Erkin from HDD Recovery Services. Today's video is going to be about recovery of this Sandisk 4GB compact flash. The technique that I'll be using today is a chip-off recovery. Sandisk can be a little tricky, but this is only a 4GB unit, so I would suspect that it should be fairly painless. I believe that this client only has footage from like a camera, even though compact flash nowadays can be used for many different types of devices that don't even have any pictures on them, don't even have any video on them. Like, for example, like audio recording devices, keyboards for music production. They also use those types of cards, and we get them every now and then. But I think this one is out of the camera, so pictures most likely either like Canon or Nikon, and hopefully by the end of this video you guys will see how I pull the data off this thing. So this problem just ended up being a quick interface repair. A few pins fell out, but I did not expect it to happen. Now, this is not a very common situation for a CF card, at least not what I see coming in for recovery on a daily basis. But it was a pleasant surprise to see that something like that can happen. If you guys experienced the same thing with your device, in the description box you'll find all the information you need on how to get in touch with us to request a service. For those who are not new to this channel, thank you guys for your support. For those who are new to the channel and interested in data recovery, hit that subscribe button, because that's all we do every day, recover data from different types of devices. And I will see you guys around the same time as usual tomorrow. So thank you very much again. Bye bye.